Hi, meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Wanted to give you a quick weather update here during the 11 o'clock hour here on this Wednesday. The rain continues to really come down here across the region, and we're looking at more and more flooding issues developing. Kind of a dangerous situation out there as we have the flooding continuing to occur in more and more spots with the rain training over the same areas in a repeated fashion. Let me go out to the graphics here. We'll show you what's happening from our Greensboro Tower camera perspective. The rain is really cranking out there across many spots in the upstate of South Carolina and up into North Carolina. Temperature 57 now at the PTI airport. Check out the time lapse from the Dowd YMCA camera in Charlotte this morning. There we are at 6 o'clock, and then the rains just continued to build on in as we got deeper into the day, and it has really been coming down now over the past couple of hours in parts of the Charlotte metro area. There's your temperatures. Really the big story today, though, is the radar. So I'm going to take you on a tour around the radar, and we'll take a detailed look at what exactly is going on here across the area. There's the broad perspective. It is just a consistent feed of rain, and in many instances it is just training over the same areas. And so the rain totals really continue to add up. Let's take a look down to the upstate. It is really coming down over all of the upstate, with the exception of maybe down towards Spartanburg now, a bit of a break now, but down toward Greenwood and Union, there in the Interstate 26 corridor, rather, between Columbia and up toward where it intersects with 85. It is really coming down. There's the Charlotte Metro, Cleveland, Gaston, Mecklenburg County they've really seen a lot of rain, and you go up from there. It is raining heavily in much of the Triad now. A lot of lightning as I'm cutting the video here through northern parts of Randolph and the southern sections of Alamance counties. There are the radar estimated rain totals over the past 24 hours. And again, you see that corridor there right along Interstate 85 and thereabouts where the rain has really been adding up. And in terms of warnings, you have aerial flood warnings in effect for parts of the Triad. Actually, let me correct myself. Regular flood warnings, actually, for the Virginia border areas, parts of Caswell and Rockingham counties. And these are flash flood warnings for parts of the Charlotte Metro down to the upstate of South Carolina as the rain has continued to add up. So, again, one more broad perspective of the radar. That is what it looks like right now. Let me show you the rain totals actually in the rain buckets. These are continually updating. Some of these may be more updated than others, but many spots over an inch of rain in the Charlotte metro area, over an inch and a half in Asheboro already. And so, yeah, you get the idea. The rain is certainly a big issue. There's the high-resolution modeling as we go through the day. Rain, especially heavy between now and, say, 2 o'clock or so this afternoon. After that, more of a scattered shower type of scenario. For the Belt Bowl, we'll have to see if we can get that break in the rain in here for portions of the game. But again, if you're heading to the Belt Bowl, you definitely need to have that rain gear handy just to be on the safe side for sure. And so flooding is the issue. There's your Belt Bowl forecast. Rain possibly heavy. A thunderstorm is remaining a possibility here and there as well. So flood watch remains in effect. We've seen many flood warnings already come online here this morning. And certainly the potential is there for additional flooding issues as the day rolls along. There's what the high-resolution modeling is cranking out between now and 11 o'clock this evening. And you can see there are some bullseyes here and there. That'll change with each run, but the bottom line is the flooding potential is quite high with saturated ground. The water levels in the streams and the rivers quite high, so the potential is quite significant for flooding issues today. All right, that is it for the updated edition of the video here, midday edition of the Carolina Weather Video on this Wednesday. Everybody stay safe, stay dry, have a great day, and God bless.